Want to enjoy YouTube TV on your Xiaomi Mi Box? Setting it up is easy. This guide will show you how to install and use YouTube TV on your Xiaomi Mi Box. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark ensure your Xiaomi Mi Box is running the latest version of Android TV. White heavy checkmark makes sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Install YouTube TV on Xiaomi Mi Box. Keycap 1. Press the home button on your remote. Keycap 2. Open the Google Play Store. Keycap 3. Search for YouTube TV and select the app. Keycap 4. Click Install and open the app after installation. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Keycap 2. Select Sign In. Keycap 3. Visit youtube.com/start on your phone/computer. Keycap 4. Enter the activation code displayed. Keycap 5. Log in with your Google account. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. White heavy checkmark. Browse live TV and on-demand content. White heavy checkmark. Access your DVR recordings. White heavy checkmark. Search for your favorite shows. White heavy checkmark. Adjust video quality for optimal streaming. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond app not working? Restart the Xiaomi Mi Box or reinstall the app. Small blue diamond slow streaming? Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection or use Ethernet. Small blue diamond no sound/video? Adjust audio and video settings. Bonus tip. For seamless viewing, optimize your display settings for better picture quality. Enjoy YouTube TV on your Xiaomi Mi Box. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.